The easiest way to determine whether a crab is male or female is by looking at its abdomen. In most species of crabs, the male and female abdomens have distinct differences that can help you determine their sex. Male crabs typically have a narrow, triangular abdomen that is shaped like an inverted T. The abdomen is also relatively small compared to the rest of the crab's body. On the other hand, female crabs have a broader, rounded abdomen that is much larger than the male's abdomen. The female's abdomen may also have a flap on the underside that covers her reproductive organs. In some species of crabs, such as the Dungeness crab, you can also determine the crab's sex by looking at the claws. Male Dungeness crabs have larger claws than females, which are smaller and more rounded. If you're still unsure about the sex of a crab, you can consult a field guide or ask an expert at a local aquarium or marine biology center for assistance.